how to check your Tesco mobile balance. So here are a few different methods. The first one is going to be the quick code method. You want to dial *##10# on your Tesco mobile phone, and in just a moment your balance will appear right on your screen. Super fast and easy. Another way that you can do this is the text message method. You will create a new text message with the word balance in capital. You will send it to 289, you're gonna use this phone number, and you'll get a reply back with your current balance details. And you can also call, you can dial this number from your Tesco mobile, and you will follow the spoken instructions and you'll hear your remaining balance read out. And the last method will be using the Tesco mobile app. You will download the Tesco mobile app and log in, and you will be able to see your balance, allowances, and even top up right from within the app. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.